In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a host name in GoDaddy step by step, quickly and correctly. This is especially useful if you're setting up custom name servers, pointing a domain to a server, or organizing your DNS setup for a website or VPS. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like, and make sure you subscribe for more easy software and web setup guides. Alright, let's get started. First, go to the GoDaddy Domain Portfolio and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the list of domains that are connected to your GoDaddy account. From here, find the domain you want to work on and click directly on it. This will open the domain settings page for that specific domain. Now that you're inside the correct domain settings, look over to the left-hand menu and click the DNS tab. In the DNS section, you'll see different options related to your domain's records and network settings. Next, select Hostnames. This is where GoDaddy lets you create and manage custom host names for your domain. After that, click the Add Hostname button. This is the option that starts the process of creating a new hostname entry. When the form opens, you'll need to fill in the details carefully, because accuracy matters here. In the host field, type only the prefix or sublabel you want to use. For example, if you want to create ns1.yourdomain.com, you would only type the full domain name in this box, because GoDaddy will attach your domain automatically. Then, in the IP address field, enter the IPv4 address of the server or VPS you want the hostname to point to. Make sure you double-check this IP address before saving, because even one wrong number can cause the hostname to point to the wrong place or fail to resolve properly. Once both fields are filled out correctly, click Save. GoDaddy will create the hostname and begin processing it. In most cases, new hostnames are typically ready to use globally within about 90 minutes, so if you don't see it working instantly, that's completely normal. Give it a little time to propagate across the network. And that's it. You've now added a hostname in GoDaddy. The process is simple once you know where to click, and doing it the right way helps avoid DNS issues later on. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.